So how to use digital content for whole school TPD. First thing you need to do as leadership is to research courses suitable for your teachers, your school, and your setting. Plan how to support teachers who might be new to using their device for learning. They may well own a smartphone, but haven't used it for digital learning before, so they may need some support. We do actually have at Teach2030 a course for this called Becoming a Digital Learner Using Your Smartphone. It's free and it will really help. So I thoroughly recommend that. Decide if teachers will be completing digital TPD individually or as part of whole school sessions. It could be teachers can access it in their own time, or you might decide to use it for whole school TPD when all teachers are working together and going through content at the same time, which can be really great when putting together a shared vision. So if the whole school is working on the same content at the same time, that can really help unite the teachers because they're all working towards the same thing. As I said here, involving all teachers in whole school digital TPD can help through providing school unity as everyone develops their practice in the same area.